everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download BeReal application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download BeReal application on your iPhone, all you need to do is to make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data, and once you're connected to a stable internet, tap Open App Store. Bring up the search button by tapping the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search box that appears on the display, type in BeReal and search. Right next to the BeReal application, you'll be able to see a download button. Give it a tap in order to download your application on your iPhone. Now wait until the application gets downloaded, which should be quicker if you already have a stable internet connection. Once the application is downloaded, tap the open button to launch the app open. To sign up for a BeReal account, first make sure that you've downloaded the application from your mobile devices, from your App Store or your Play Store, and once you have the app, give it a tap to open. Now, from the main homepage of BeReal, tap on the Continue button at the bottom and tap on the Get Started button. In order to sign up, you'll need to type in your name. Start off by typing in your full name and tap on the Continue button. Enter your date of birth information, enter your date, month, and year. Finally, tap Continue. Now, you'll need to select your country code from the top left, and once you select your country, type in your phone number in the text box and tap Continue. Wait for a security code that will be arrived on your mobile number via SMS. Now, once you receive the code, type it in or paste it in the text box. Soon after you do that, your phone number will be verified. On the next page, you'll now need to create a username for yourself. Simply type in the username that you'd like to create. Make sure that your username is unique. That means two people cannot have the same username. So once you type in the username that is unique, tap on the Continue button. Allow access for BeReal to your contacts by tapping OK, and your contacts will be synced from your mobile device. If you'd like to invite some of your friends to BeReal, go ahead and tap on the Invite button right next to the contact and tap on the Continue button. Enable the notifications on the BeReal app by tapping Allow, or if you don't want to do that, tap on Don't Allow. Now, you need to allow camera access for BeReal by tapping OK. And now once you end up in this camera screen, you can take your first BeReal, which will be only visible to your friends. That is how you'll be able to create or sign up for a new account on BeReal. I'm gonna guide you through how to log back into a BeReal account. If you've logged out of a BeReal account and you'd like to log in back again, then the process is quite simple. Make sure that you are in this page where it says, "Let's get started, what's your name?" You'll need to provide your name, your date of birth and mobile number. Simply type in your name in the text box and make sure to type in the same information that matches your records from the account that you've recently logged out. Tap the Continue button and type in your date of birth information on the next page. Enter your day, month, and year. Tap Continue after you are done. Now, you'll need to provide your mobile number and you'll get an OTP on your mobile number. Simply select your country code and type in your mobile number. Make sure that you've typed in the same mobile number that you've previously registered for your BeReal account. After you are done, tap Continue. You'll receive an OTP sent on your mobile number via SMS. Simply type in the code or paste it in, and you'll be able to log back in to your BeReal account. In order to add a photo on your BeReal profile, simply tap Open BeReal application. Also, make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main homepage of BeReal, tap on the initial or the circle image at the top right hand corner. This will open up your profile along with your name or your username. Now, simply tap on your profile and you'll be able to see a camera icon popping up right beneath your name initial. Simply tap on that camera, and from the menu that pops up at the bottom, you can simply select an existing picture by tapping on Photo Library, or you can also take a picture right now by choosing Camera option. In my case, I'm going to select an existing picture, so let me tap on Photo Library option. From the library, go ahead and select the picture you'd like to add on your BeReal profile. Once you are done, select Choose. Wait for a few seconds and right after the Save button pops up at the top right, tap on Save. This will quickly add a photo on your BeReal profile. Pretty simple, isn't it? If you want to add friends on BeReal application, then it's quite simple. Open up your BeReal application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside your main homepage of BeReal, tap on the human-like icon at the upper left-hand corner. Then, when this page opens up, you'll be able to see 3 sections at the bottom of the page: Suggestions, Friends, and Requests. If you tap open Suggestions, you'll be able to see the profiles of friends of people you are friends with on BeReal. If you tap on the Friends option, your BeReal friends will be displayed on this My Friends tab, along with your contacts available on your mobile device will also be shown on this page. You can invite some of the friends you'd like to add via your phone contact by tapping the Invite button right next to a contact. If you tap on the Request button at the bottom right, you'll be able to see any request from the person that would want to add you on BeReal. To discover new friends, you can type in the name of the contact on the top of the screen where you can see the search box, and you'll be able to see search results that matches your search. Simply tap on the Add button in order to add the friend on your BeReal account. You can also go to the main homepage of BeReal and tap on the Discovery button at the top right and scroll from the Discovery page and find any contact you'd like to add. Give it a tap and tap on the Add button. That way you'll be able to send a friend request and add a person on BeReal. If you'd like to add your location on your BeReal profile, then the process is quite simple. Simply tap open BeReal app from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. In order to add your location on BeReal profile, first, make sure that you've enabled Location Service Access for BeReal app. Tap Open Settings and from the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you see the BeReal app and give it a tap. Make sure that the Location Service is enabled. Simply tap on Location and select while using the app option in order to enable location service. Make sure that this button right next to precise location is toggled on as well. Now once you've done that, go back to BeReal application and tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Tap on your initial at the top and right where it says location, go ahead and give it a tap. Simply select your location and tap on the Save button at the top right hand corner. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add your location on your BeReal profile. Pretty simple, isn't it? So in order to do that, tap open your settings on your mobile device and scroll all the way down and search for BeReal application. Give it a tap to open and tap on Notifications. Make sure that the button right next to Allow Notifications is toggled on. Once you make this change, you can go back and start receiving notifications from BeReal. That is how you'll be able to get BeReal notification using your mobile device. Now you can also open up your BeReal application and make sure that you've enabled notifications for the app as well. Go and tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner from the main home page and tap on the 3 dots at the top right. Now tap on the notifications option and make sure that you've enabled all of the buttons that you would like to receive notifications from, and that is how you'll be able to get notifications on BeReal application whenever there is any kind of a mention, comment, friend request on your BeReal app. To log out of your BeReal app, first tap open your BeReal. Here I have my BeReal app opened up and I'm in my first home page. From the main home page of BeReal app, tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. From your profile page, tap the 3 dots at the top right hand corner and at the very bottom, tap on the Logout button in order to log out of your app. Confirm signing out by tapping on the Sign Out button and you'll be able to log out of your BeReal app. Next time you log in, you'll need to type in your name, follow the on-screen prompts and register your mobile number in order to get access to your BeReal account. That is how it can be done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.